All the class 10 students of St. Michael's Academy, welcome to online physical science class. Today I am going to start nuclear energy. It's a part of atomic nucleus chapter. Very interesting and very easy chapter I am going to start. First, I am discussing mass defect and binding energy. In physics and chemistry, a mass defect refers to the difference in mass between an atom and the sum of the masses of the protons, neutrons and electrons of the atom. This mass is typically associated with the binding energy between nucleon. What is nucleon? The particles within the nucleus. Next, in physics, binding energy, also called separation energy, is the minimum energy required to disassemble a system of particles into separate parts. A bound system is typically at a lower energy level than its unbound constituents. Now see the diagram. Binding energy and mass defect. First, here I have given another one definition, mass defect. The nucleus of each atom, aside from one H1, you know, that is the one isotope of hydrogen, name is protium, has a mass lower than expected from adding the masses of its neutrons and protons. This is known as the mass defect. Mass energy equivalence. There is an equation, that is actually Einstein equation. Einstein was a scientist. Mass and energy are related by the equation E is equal to mc square, where E is energy, m is mass and c is the speed of light. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Already I have discussed this. Now here binding energy, the energy holding the protons and neutrons together in an atomic nucleus. The mass defect is converted into energy by Einstein's equation. That means by E is equal to mc square equation, which also explains how a small mass can release a huge amount of energy. One thing I am making you clear, you have to study your book. Along with this, you have to study these slides also, because you are going to give board exam. That's why I am giving something extra, because in board, West Bengal board, physical science question paper is not so easy and it not so hard also if you will read it properly. If your basic thing will be clear, everything will be easier. So please read your book along with these slides. Diagram also I am giving so that you can relate this board. Now, nuclear fission. Nuclear fission, one definition given in your book. You can read from there, and here also in a very easy way I have given another one definition. Nuclear fission. In nuclear fission, an unstable atom splits into two or more smaller pieces that are more stable and releases energy in the process. The fission process also releases extra neutrons, which can then split additional atoms, resulting in a chain reaction that releases a lot of energy. See the diagram. Please try to draw this diagram along with this definition, so your percentage of marks will be increased. So the diagram I have drawn, that is neutron, that is target nucleus, and fission products, one neutron, another neutrons are going there. You will draw just a cluster of neutrons, means circles, small circles. Along with this, you will give the equations from your book positively. I am reading the equation from your book, that is 235 U92, that is the isotope of uranium. Whenever it will be bombarded by one neutron, that is 1N0, it will form 143Ba56 plus Kr, that is 9036. Kr means krypton and Ba means barium, that you know, plus 3 neutron will be released, 1N0, And class energy. Please write this word energy because huge energy is going to release in one reaction of nuclear fission. Now, applications of nuclear fission. There are various applications of nuclear fission. It can be used in a nuclear power plant to make electricity. In a nuclear propulsion system to drive ships or submarines, to make neutrons for sensitive elemental analysis, to make neutrons for industrial purposes, in a nuclear weapon, as a very sensitive neutron detector, to make radioisotopes for industrial use, to make radioisotopes for therapeutic or diagnostic medical purposes. See, I have given so many applications because within this at least 6 applications, please keep in your mind so that according to the marks you can give the answer in the board. Now, nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a reaction in which 2 or more atomic nuclei are combined to form one or more different atomic nuclei and subatomic particles, neutrons or protons. That means nuclear fusion is completely opposite of nuclear fission. The difference in mass between the reactants and products is manifested as either the release or absorption of energy. Along with this, please give your reactions from book. And please mention 25.04 MeV, that is megavolt. You have to mention this. Me for mega, V for volt. Okay. See the diagrams, just a diagrammatic representation by nuclear fusion. Neutrons and protons are coming out. Differences. What are the differences between nuclear fission and fusion? I have given the differences so it will be more easier to you to learn. Diagrammatic differentiation also I have given. So first nuclear fission, second one is nuclear fusion. A heavy nucleus breaks up to form 2 lighter nuclei. 2 light nuclei combine to form a heavy nucleus. It involves a chain reaction. Fusion involves chain reaction, is not involved over here. Next, the heavy nucleus is bombarded with neutrons. Light nuclei are heated to an extremely high temperature. We have proper mechanisms to control fission reaction for generating electricity. Proper mechanisms to control fusion reaction are yet to be developed. Disposal of nuclear waste is a great environmental problem. Disposal of nuclear waste is not involved. Raw material is not easily available and is costly. Raw material is comparatively cheap and easily available. Now here the main uses or application of nuclear fission and fusion I am discussing. That is atom bomb and hydrogen bomb. A nuclear weapon, also called an atom bomb, is an explosive device that derives its destructive force from nuclear reactions, either fission or from a combination of fission and fusion reactions. That is thermonuclear bomb. Thermonuclear bomb, also called hydrogen bomb or H-bomb weapon, whose enormous explosive power results from an uncontrolled self-sustaining chain reaction in which isotopes of hydrogen combine under extremely high temperature to form helium in a process known as nuclear fusion. So from nuclear fission, atom bomb, and from nuclear fusion, hydrogen can be produced. Now see, I have given the difference also, and the diagram I have given, that is actually due to hydrogen bomb. Now see the difference. Atom bomb, atomic bombs use fission. the splitting of a large atom into two smaller ones. And thermonuclear or hydrogen bomb, more powerful hydrogen bombs use fusion, the fusing of two or more atoms into a larger one. That means hydrogen bomb or thermonuclear bomb is more dangerous than atom bomb. Peaceful use of nuclear energy. Nuclear power plants. A nuclear fission reactor is a device that permits a controlled chain nuclear fission. Advantage of generate electricity by nuclear fission. First one, 1 gram of uranium 235 can generate 20,000 kilowatt hour of electric energy. Number 2, coal reserves are depleting very fast, so it needs to be replaced by another fuel. Disadvantages. Any leakage from the reactor may cause devastating nuclear pollution. Disposal of the nuclear waste is also a big problem. High cost of installation of nuclear power plant, limited availability of uranium. These are all the disadvantages. Now, accident due to nuclear power plant. One is Chernobyl accident and second one is Fukushima nuclear reactor accident. About both the accident, please read it from your book. Next, safety requirements at nuclear reactors. To ensure no leakage of radioactive fuels, radioactive wastes should be disposed by special techniques. The reactor should be located at a place far away from high population area. The building and entire structure of the reactor should be earthquake proof. Thank you, students. For any doubts or queries, please email me at sudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to mail your regular physical science homework in this given email ID.